Need to turn a PDF into a JPEG image on your Mac? Preview, Apple's built-in tool, makes it simple. This video will guide you through the process, step by step. Preview is pre-installed, free, and doesn't require any extra downloads. As of January 2026, it's still the go-to method for many Mac users. This method is also preferred due to its ease of use and lack of internet needed. First, locate your PDF file. You can find it in Finder by navigating to where you saved it. You can open it by double-clicking the file. If Preview is set as your default PDF viewer, it will open automatically. If Preview isn't the default PDF viewer, right-click the file to open the context menu. Then select Open With from the menu and choose Preview to open your PDF. Alternatively, you can launch Preview from your Applications folder. Open Finder and navigate to Applications. Once Preview is open, select File from the menu bar, then choose Open to browse for and select your PDF file. Once your PDF is open in Preview, you'll see a sidebar on the left displaying all the pages. Scroll through the sidebar to find the specific page you want to convert to a JPEG. Click to select the page you want. This is important as Preview's export function handles one page at a time. In the Export dialog, you'll see options to adjust the JPEG quality using a slider. Higher quality means less compression and a larger file size, but better image detail. You can also change the resolution in dots per inch, or DPI. A higher DPI like 300 is better for printing, while a lower DPI like 72 is fine for web use. Here's a visual comparison. The left image shows high resolution with sharp detail, while the right shows low resolution with reduced clarity. Consider using the Smart Export if using macOS Sequoia. This will use AI to suggest the best quality for the image to optimize it. Once you've selected your desired quality and resolution, click the Save button. Preview will then convert the selected PDF page into a JPEG image and save it to your chosen location. Preview doesn't natively support converting multiple PDF pages to JPEG at once. For batch conversions, you have several alternatives. First, use Automator, a built-in Mac app. Create custom workflows to process multiple pages quickly without needing third-party software. Third-party apps like PDF Expert provide advanced batch conversion tools with user-friendly interfaces. Online tools such as Adobe Acrobat Online can handle batch conversions, but remember to consider privacy implications when uploading your files to the cloud.